guys, like, whoa, Shaman, whoa. Hi, welcome. So, on today's episode, we'll be reacting to Shaman. So it's been so long, it's been over a month since I've done a reaction to Shaman. So I know you guys have been waiting for me from that moment. So wait no more. We'll be reacting to Shaman the Fight. So without further ado, peeps, let's hear what Shaman has to say in this story. Take a walk with me. And yes, it's your Jamaican friend here again. So love from Jamaica. And let's dive right in. Peace.
Кто сказал, что в мире любовь умерла, что нет чести и правда сгорела дотла, даже если творится вокруг один ад.
Guys, what I like about Shaman is that he's a person who never gives up. He's a person who believes in his country and he believes in his people, right? And the first time I done a reaction to Shaman was a very exciting one. Bro, that is one of the most beautiful songs I ever heard. Even though he's singing in Russian language, guys, I understand nothing at all about Russian language, but the vibe, the tune, everything is just so beautiful, guys. And I became a fan of Shaman there, and I'm from Jamaica, bro. It is such a loving moment to sit and to do a reaction to Shaman, bro. It's very good, very good.
Я не сдамся, вперед и ни шагу назад. Каждый день мне в сердце стреляет больней, но эти раны делают только сильней. Я вернусь с победой обратно домой.
Guys, this is a very wonderful story, because what he's basically saying is that he received a shot in his heart, but that doesn't slow him down, right? The wound doesn't slow him down, because you have to be consistent. It doesn't matter if you're going through the rough times. It doesn't matter if you're going through a very soft moment. Just never give up. The journey will not be easy, but never give up. You will become victorious. That very first moment you give up, that's where you fall short. Never give up. It doesn't matter where you're going through or what you're going through with. Never give up, bro. You shall remain victorious.
Я вернусь, чтобы остаться с тобой. Это мой бой, до последнего вдоха. Мой бой, даже если плохо. Мой бой, пока не гаснет огонь, бьется сердце, и я живой. Это мой бой, прожигает строчка. Мой бой.
Guys, everyone, I believe, in life will fight, because we are growing up, and during our staging of growing up, we have to fight. It doesn't matter who we are, we have to fight. We have to face the struggle, and at the end of the day, it's our fight. But never give up, because the struggles only make us better. Love the song, Shaman. Very good message. Very good message.
До конца и точка. Мой бой, пока не гаснет огонь, бьется сердце, и я живой. Кто сказал, что звезды погасли давно, что нет дружбы и деньги важнее всего, даже если огонь превращается в лед.
Guys, and Shaman is a man that he know what he's doing. He's motivating us. Even if our heart is on fire, bro, never give up. Right? Who says the stars burn out? bro, they're actually kidding, bro. Bro, whenever time we are doing something, we should keep on going. We may face obstacles, we may face some things that will push us back, but Shaman is saying to us today, we must keep on fighting. Even if the fire turns into ice, we must keep on fighting, bro. Bro. Very, very good song, bro. Very, very good message. Love this song, Shaman. Very positive music, bro. And this is why I always respect Shaman, because he gives us excellent music.
Стиснув зубы, скажу себе только вперед. Каждый день мне в сердце стреляет больней, но эти раны делают только сильнее. И я слышу, как вторят со мною сердца. Я русский, я иду до конца. Это мой бой, до последнего вдоха. Мой бой, даже если плохо. Мой бой, пока не гаснет огонь, бьется сердце, и я живой.
Guys, like, whoa, Shaman, whoa, bro. This gives me chills, bro. This gives me chills. I mean, like, guys, this song is very good. Very, very good. And the thing is, I have been caught up with so much things doing on my channel. It's a lot for me. It's a lot going on with me right now when it comes on to YouTube, because I have a lot of videos reacting to, but I can always spare time to react to Shaman's music, bro. And I never ever feel doubted to react to Shaman's music, bro. This type of music motivates me to go harder, to never give up. Because if you're doing good, there's always bad comes in your way. If you're doing something that it's slowly going, but surely there is always something to slow you down. And Shaman is telling us today, remain strong. If our heart is bleeding, that makes us stronger. If the wound gets us weak, that wound teaches us to get stronger. Because we're going to face even more tougher times than that, but that keeps us strong. Bro, excellent song, bro. I love this music. Guys, it doesn't matter what you're going through. If the fire is burning in our hearts, never give up, bro. Keep on fighting, bro. Whoa. Because this is my fight. It's not yours. It's not his. It's not hers. It's my fight. And if we are fighting, guys, please remain strong. Keep on going. Bro, this is very good, bro.
До последнего вдоха мой бой, даже если плохо, мой бой, пока не гаснет огонь, бьется сердце, и я живой.
Guys, this is a very, very wonderful song. Very great song. Guys, thank you also for watching. What are your thoughts on this? And Shaman, you have earned a Jamaican follower, bro. Thank you so much for this wonderful music. And I'll see you next time around. Peace.